Hi and welcome to another follow-up video about the tweaking tool. We've just released the new versions of the ArcoLinux Welcome app and the tweak tool. And each time you install it, the Welcome app will be there again, because when you do a scal, all the settings are back to default, meaning you start on startup here. So this is necessary, of course, for the ISO. So when people are installing ArcoLinux, they get greeted with this beautiful app. So it's one click and then it's gone. But of course, do join us on our social media and so on and follow the links because they matter. We're going to talk about the ArcoLinux Tweak Tool. So Ctrl-Alt-E is going to launch our Tweak Tool. And it's changed a little bit, but let's have a look at what's changed. I'm gonna go for Ctrl-Alt-G this time. There's still a very blank browser. You know, Firefox is used for the ArcoLinux account. I'm using also Eric Dubois on then Vivaldi, so I do need three browsers to work on. ArcoLinux and then Tweak Tool. Let's see if this guy finds it. Everything you need to know about ArcoLinux Tweak Tool. How great is that? First thing. So this is what we're going to always update and keep updating. And let's have a look. I'm putting this guy over here in the second screen. So we have a little bit rearranged some menus, added some credits. This is the reference to what system you're on, and it's correct. It's XFCE, so this should be displaying the correct desktop you're on. Just saying, general knowledge of Linux everywhere, doesn't matter what Linux you're on. User share X sessions. This is what is possible on your system. These are installed, so basically you can see that I'm on ArcoLinux ISO with three desktops. That's the one. Our flagship. So the grubconfig was there in the past. We did change some things, so let's go over that as well. We can change now to all of these guys. So if you are fed up with this greeting screen, the standard look, then you can choose this one or that one or this one or that one. It's just a click away. And where's the click? The click is here. Apply a wallpaper. But you can also go for an ArcoLinux look. So if you say I'm going to have something different, I'm going to have an ArcoLinux look, then you can use the tweak tool as well. It's your machine, it's your grub. You can change it to anything you like. These are our choices, but you can choose some more. Import image. It all matters what kind of, I'm gonna close Discord here. It all matters what kind of image you're gonna take, if it's gonna work or not, but it's not gonna crash. It's just gonna show you an image. Was not able to show the image or something like that, and then you put into grub, which is again a black one without colors. But just try and import images, because sometimes you think this is gonna crash and say, whoa, that's beautiful. So just try. So the only thing you need to do is go and navigate to the system. In my case, it's InSync apps, and we have lots and lots and lots of wallpapers here. Gonna choose just one of them and then import selected image. This is gonna be my greeting screen, apply, that's it. Now, you know me, I go to the details. This is a graphical user interface for what you do manually, of course. Grub, themes, Vimix, and in here we have a theme text. Now I've just updated the system, which means this is new. You might have a different thing. So be aware that at some point in time, Ctrl F, we did an ArcoLinux updates grub Vimix. Just grab them and then theme Vimix. So these guys are new. It's a new version 2020 February 092. So a few days back, and we've tested it and it just works. It's nice. So you have some more wallpapers as well. And in the theme text, you have now a text here that says, let's get this wallpaper in. You see? And of course, if you can edit, sometimes you need to clean it because you said this is rubbish. I don't like this at all. So this wallpaper up here, remove, and it's gone again. And then you select just another one and apply the wallpaper. Again, the wallpaper is changed to ArcoLinux 01. There you go. So that's a great tool. We had it already, but it's renewed. So we have more choices in here. I'm gonna go over the rest. hblock, I think we've covered the hblock as it is, but we've improved the text a little bit so that you know what is the hblock all about. It's about improving your security, privacy by blocking ads, tracking and malware domains. It's on by default by me. 125,000 of rubbish domains I can't get to. They can't infect me. They can't bug me, right? So that's a good thing that we have that. Sorry. Okay. And then a lightdm conf. Let's see, did we have that prior? Control find. I'm looking on the web page. No, I thought it was new. So often we have these, in this case, three of our desktops, right? We have XFCE, OpenBox, i3, but in ArcoLinux B extended, we have 7. OpenBox and all the tiling window managers. You can choose with a little drop down, I want to boot up next time into OpenBox. Apply settings. It's gonna be booting up. This system is gonna boot up later on in OpenBox. What is changed in the backend? What we had to do until now manually. Put it always to Perl. Great tip. Everything is black is rubbish and everything that's white is used. So this is changed. Auto login session OpenBox. Auto login user Eric. If you say no, I don't want to auto login. Oh, let's go back. Come on. Here, yeah. You can just click here, right? And then auto login user Eric should be updating at some point in time. Well, let's see if he does that. It does not do that. That's strange. So we'll have to look into that again. Why he's not doing that? So this one should be black. If it's not black, well, you just do it like this. Auto login user is off again. So we'll investigate the matter why that is happening here at this point. Oh yeah, Eric, stupid Eric, stupid Eric. Apply settings, right? Apply settings. That's what you should do. Reload, and then everything is black. Apply it again, apply settings, and reload, and we should be bang back here. It's not doing. It's not loaded yet. Close without saving. Close without saving. Open it up again. Back to Perl, because it was working, so it's just my mistake, I'm guessing here. So auto log on is okay, and now it's off again. And now it's black again. So it is really the slowness of the system or just my mistake. Here it works. Okay, so no need to go into the code. It is working. So that's the idea is here to have this easy switch to set your lightdm to move either from auto login to not auto login or move to another desktop, any desktop that's in the drop down here. That's new, I think. NeoFetch was there already. NeoFetch was there already, but you watch out because our next release will have more elements. You can see all these elements here, but there are even more elements that can supply I believe the public IP address, internal IP address, music that you're playing at the time, etc. We'll see, and we'll give you more variables here in the drop down on the page. Nothing changed here, I guess. Nothing changed here. The slim lock, I don't think it's changed either. So we'll have a termite theme is new. ArcoLinux default is new. So if you start getting lost and you say, oh God, what have I changed? What is all this? And I want to go back to what it was. And so we've added an ArcoLinux default. So you always know where to get the original look. So lots and lots and lots of choices, 81 of them, I think. So you take a look at all of them and choose the one you like, basically. And if NeoFetch is not to your liking, you just change NeoFetch a little bit. That's in here. All right, that's it for me. Enjoy ArcoLinux, enjoy our tweaking tool, and I'm out.